My video is about getting rid of the online scam by the website Epircuts.xyz. Frankly speaking, the site Epircuts.xyz does not really make any sense judging by its name. Epircuts.xyz displays pretty fake and scary alerts that try to make you download and install certain potentially unwanted software. If you ever see these pop-ups by Epircuts.xyz, do not tolerate these fake alerts. Such pop-ups, in fact, could be the consequence of some adware to be currently enabled on your computer. So you need to just leave this deceptive page. I also recommend you to additionally investigate your system with Combo Cleaner antivirus. You may get its latest version on the page combocleaner.com. So use the green download Combo Cleaner button, install the application and start researching your system. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner antivirus, the program is initially in the trial mode, so only quick scan option is available. By the way, I forgot to mention that Combo Cleaner is available for Windows computers, for Mac computers, and for Android devices too. This information is clearly seen on the official website, which is combocleaner.com. So through this official site, you may download any preferred version, and even for iOS devices too. So all these 4 different operating systems can offer you the version for Combo Cleaner antivirus. So you need to click on this Start Scan button and the program will begin researching and investigating your computer. First of all, the software will update its anti-malware database, which is definitely essential for proper detection and removal of any malware. So don't skip the update procedure. Wait until the scanning has been successfully accomplished. At the end of the scan, you will see the summary of threats, and we recommend upgrading to Premium, and you can request trial. Combo Cleaner will help you to remove all these threats automatically and keep your system free of other threats in the future.